What's going on, YouTubers? Just a little refresher of what's going on in the world. Um, as you can tell, got a slightly different, a slightly different headset uh, from what I'm actually using. In fact, what I usually use is, I'll show you, is this. It's not been on for quite a while. This is the BHS. No, um, I'm trying to think of it. This is the. For fuck's sake, get the thing. This is the BSH10, which stands for Bluetooth Standard Headset. I had to think of it. I'm not loopy, in case you're thinking. I'm not saying loopy or anything. I'm just. So this is the BSH10 that I've not worn in quite a while. Sorry about the hat, that bit. So yeah, I've not worn in quite a while. Nor have I yet to retrieve it. Sorry about the creaking chair, but this. Now this is not a BSH10. This is a turbine. As you can actually read on the cam, which is there. That is what this headset is. How they do it is a little different from how I do it. They come in. Anyway, I'm trying to do that. I'm doing it actually. I tried to on the first. Yeah. That is what you're looking at. A Bluetooth turbine. That is what this is, and this connects to one of these little devices. This little device is actually you may not be able to see it because well you can actually but that is what this and this combined is what you're getting. However, the trick is with this one is the fact that so yes, sorry about the pause. Yes, anyway. So yes, this headset connects to the device I've shown you, which is here. And that actually, when you look at the end, that connects up to your TV, which is obviously I'm pointing to the left of the cam. Obviously, with the situation that the camera is in. But having said this, I have split audio. Anyway, which happens to have this connected to. As you can see, the end right here connects to a split audio cable, and that end goes into it. And once your end not yours, once this end goes into a split audio jack, you can then, on this side here, plug in the charger. And I'll show you how this works. Like so. You see it flashing right there. Just
now connected to TTBA01.
Normally that didn't actually connect to my Echo Dot. That's what you just heard. So I tried to get this to actually configure itself, but I actually gave up in the end. So I decided, sod it, put it aside, and now it's decided to friggin' work. So yeah. So it's running off battery, as you can tell. The flash is here. There you go. And that is connected. Once I press and hold this, it disconnects. And you will hear on the bottom, off cam, what happens. The little red light came on. That means offline and disconnecting. And a little echo dot that you can actually hear at the bottom of this cam is actually my echo dot. I bought it off Amazon quite a few months back and it's working. I had some trouble with the internet, but what I did is taking out the power supply, plugged it back in, and it's working. So, other than that, yeah. So, that is in fact what I'm using. Sorry, that is in fact what I'm using for my TV to the left, just here. I'm using this headset for my laptop, this right here, as I have, sorry about the noise, I have this going towards the headset. And how to do this with the headset on is difficult for newcomers, but for an experienced person like myself, it's like this. All I need to do, and it muffles your ears a bit, all I need to do is search. Obviously you can't see here, but if you search under, you can get it. And you can plug it in using your thumb. As my nail, it is, you know, like fairly short. Just need to, all you need to do is just find it with your, like, tip of your thumb here, you know, your skin base here. You skin, by the skin of your thumb. And what you do is you press and then move your finger, correction, your thumb over, and then use your thumb as a marker, keep hold, and what you do is you keep that there, and as soon as you do that, let go, and then push in. That's how I do it. Again, without me being like this, you search and search and search, find it, release your thumb. Of course, it's a little difficult at first, but once you get the hole, there you go, and then you just push in. Again, side angle. Search. Once you have it, release, grab hold, push in. And that's how you do it with the audio jack connected, and this is a long cable, by the way, if you want to relax in the chair like this and watch whatever you want on a laptop with one of these headsets. This is a HUHD headset, and you can find them on Amazon. And this is obviously one of my beers. So yes, other than that, you got your mic, which is what I'm going to explain about. It detaches. This is the mic, bent, but sorry, slipped. The mic is right here, as you can see. The mic entry point is there, and there is the jack. All you need to do is search again, and that is, I actually do have difficulties in finding this thing, but once you find it, get the hole, and then what you do is you can straighten this thing out, of course. But you need to find your nail. Don't know if you can see it, but get the nail release. Obviously, it's a bit difficult again. And before you ask, no, I haven't gone through this much trouble into getting this mic in. Might put it in wrong. Obviously not. See? Connects in. Again, side view. Look by your thumb. If you get it, hold it. Place this in, release your thumb. And then, sorry I lost it there for a minute. Once you get it there, you can then release. You see, trying to find the right hole for this thing is a little difficult. See, I did it the wrong way. So keep it the right way. Having it this way going in. Obviously, I found out it didn't work, so I have it this way. And I'll show you. Keep it flat, like I have. See, the mic is on this side, not this side. So, and then, so I'm going to take it out now. The hole is searching through your with your thumb. Got it? And then there's, let me just, for some reason I blocked off. Finding with your thumb. You got it? And sure then. Just like that. Takes a bit of practice, but I can do it without even, as you can tell. Just like that. Even with the headset on, you just need to, if you're bored with the mic, put it down. Make sure you remember where you put it down though. And then what you do is you find your location and then plot your location and then hit it. Just like that. You see, with the side view, I can't. But anyway, with the lead, it's the same thing. Simple, simple math of searching with your phone. Once you find it with your thumb, like pressed against it, you move your finger over, thumb rather. Use your thumb as the lead guidance. Once you got your guidance, move your thumb away and then plug it in. I didn't mean plug. I meant plug, but like this. So you got this. Just move, then so. See? And that is connected to my laptop. So this is more difficult to actually get in than this thing. So yeah. Other than that, I can take it out, plot, just need to find the correct holding position. And then in. Do it one-handed. See? One-handed. Make sure, do it with the second hand, just to be sure it's secure. So it's one-handed. Not just to take it out, one-handed, locate, put it in, and then with this other hand, make sure it's properly plugged in, and you're fine. With this hand, you're going to be pushing up, so you need to secure and push in at the same time. That's what you need to do. Just locate, secure, plug in. Again, locate, secure, plug in. Locate, secure, plug in. And you got this for tight quarters, in case you need to talk quietly. And then what you do after that is up to you. You can have it here for long range, and what I intend to do if I'm drinking is have the mic down and then swig and swig and swig. The mic comes up, and then that's it. This is detachable, as you saw, and what I intend to do is with this is I have the controller. I marked it white so I know which way the end goes, as I had issues with this. So I had issues with it tonight as well. So what I did is I found out which end it works with and marked it off. So what happens is this comes in where this is. So you take this out from the headset and plug this in to the same spot, and then what you can do is you talk to your friends online, and then you can play with them as well. You can play online gaming situations and heavy hotspots and chat to them. Oh, you kill them, and you actually control. You can't really control them by force or anything, but you can actually control them by safely commanding those who are playing with you by saying, sniper him, stealthily take him out. I'm going to do this person. You can do that. That's how this gaming headset works. And this is actually virtually comfortable in use. If you got glasses on like I have for everyday use, it might be less comfortable. But if you got no glasses on, this is fairly comfortable. So, yeah, little heads up. And that's the wire for it. This came with the headset. So, yeah. And that is my beer being opened. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to. This actually translate two audios in one. Sorry about that, hands thing. It's just my thing. I always do that. Yeah. So yeah, I can watch movies on my Xbox One and I can watch movies on my laptop. That's my Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do is pause this, actually, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Excuse me being so shirtless and everything on my other videos, but I have no choice. Anyway, other videos that have this in. Give me a second. This is what I have. Anyway. Like, device dropped. So yes, I'm gonna end the blog there, and I will upload as soon as I can. So yes. Thanks for the correction. Thank you all for watching, and I will do more. Keep tight and keep watching. Peace out. And thank you all again.